Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday. I'm coming to you several hours later than I normally do. Robin and I just got back from old Sacramento. Last night we enjoyed a fine, great holiday party at the California Railroad Museum for a holiday union event. 300 plus people in the rotunda, roundhouse, not the rotunda, roundhouse. Food was very good. The company was even better. It was a great time. So we stayed at a wonderful hotel down there in just next to Old Town, and we slept and got up, had some coffee, and we came home. So it was great. It was fun. They're going to have a hard time topping off this year with next year. I don't envy the committee next year. So tonight, I'm preparing chicken and cheese enchiladas, casual chef style. Let's get to it. We'll be starting off with some chicken thigh pieces that I've been saving up over the last few months from trimming chicken thighs for other dishes. So some chicken thighs. I'm going to dice up half of this shallot, garlic. I'm going to be using my asada seasoning blend. In the enchiladas themselves, they're going to be topped off with some diced jalapenos. I have some green sauce that I have been saving in the freezer for some time. So that's the sauce for tonight. Of course, there's cheese, sharp cheddar, and mozzarella. And I'll be using flour tortillas and some sour cream and, which is not seen here, cilantro for a garnish. So this is kind of my throw together version of chicken and cheese enchiladas. Lots of fun. Again, last night was a good time. Rob and I had a lot of fun. It was fun to wander through the museum. Yes, we actually got to just, wander through the museum without crowds of people. Yeah. So, on this Saturday, have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.